Power Query can silently kill your zip codes when we import them to Power Query from the CSV file. And what do I mean by that? If you look over here to in our small little data set, we have account with zip codes. And typically you would never, as an analyst, ever want to treat these as numbers so you can perform some type of calculations on them, other than counting, you know, how many zip codes are within a certain range or anything like that. But anyways, you have leading zeros here. But what Power Query does, once you import this into Power Query, your numbers may look like this, but what it does, they get automatically converted to numbers. And as you can see here, the leading zeros are now gone. So I'll show you this. Let's go click in here and let's do data and then from table or range. And then it opens up the Power Query editor, and you can see that what Power Query does. It automatically does a change type step over here on the right, and what it does, it removes these leading zeros because it automatically detected, okay, these must be numbers. And your data type here, as you can see up here on the left, if you click on it, 1, 2, 3 means it's a whole number. And as an analyst, you may not want to do that. So how do you correct this before you actually load it back into Excel? What you can do is delete this change type step, because that's one way. Or you could go up in here, click on here, you could go that and change it back to text, or you could come up here to transform. And what you could do is change this up here to a text data type. Those are ways that you could do it, but another way is you could delete this change type step. It brings it back to what it feels like it should be, okay? But now we have, in this particular case, now it changes it to a type any. So if you go up to transform and look over here, data type, it treats it as any. So if you click on here, when it has the ABC or 1, 2, 3, that means it's going to convert it to some are text, some, as you can see here, by a right justification. It treats these two as numbers and these 3 as text. But we don't want that. We want the entire account to be text. So click on here, change it to text, and it moves that over to the left. And our leading zeros then do come back. So at this time, you could then go back to mode, close and load. It loads it back into Excel, into its own table, created by that query. And as you can see over here, it retains the zeros in front of these zip codes. So hopefully this short little tutorial gave you an indication of how you could treat zip codes once you import them into Power Query. I want to thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day, and be sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I always do tutorials on these type of topics with Power Query every second.